So we are going to how to identify targets. So first we're going to use the radar. So let's use to power on the radar. Then there's a lot of dotted. Then it possible nga siya kuan siya kining target saya. So when kining finding target, so you have to use manual acquire. Then click those targets. So by clicking those targets, it will appear that there is information of the target. So let's search for target 4, which is here in the north side of our radar. So target 4 indicates that there is a bearing, range, course in degrees, speed, DCPA degrees, or CPA nautical mile, or CPA means closest point of approach, then DCPA. So, okay na?